Hello, I'm Bruce Granger with NaturaLawn of America. Today we were going to talk about mowing and promoting one or another grass as a dominant grass. So in Houston we have Bermuda and St. Augustine as the two types of grasses that are primarily here. I have a Bermuda lawn and I'm promoting the Bermuda over the St. Augustine, but you'll see I have a mixture. So Bermuda likes to be cut very short, typically around 2 to 2.5 inches in height. And St. Augustine likes to be cut very tall, up around 3 to 3.5 inches in height. So I'm mowing at about the 2.5 inch level, and I'm trying to promote Bermuda because I have a Bermuda lawn for the most part. But you can see there's St. Augustine in here, even though I'm mowing at the lower height. And I'm never going to eliminate one or the other. And as we transition into the shade, because Bermuda does not like shade, we're more St. Augustine out here, even though it's being cut at a lower height. So you can promote one or the other as the dominant grass, but you're never going to eliminate one or the other.